alright.
Did you get your coffee?
Yes, I did.
They not like us. They not like us.
One of my friends bought a house today.
Ooh.
Yeah.
UK based?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Do you know where Dunmo is? Near Stansted.
Roughly.
There.
Oh.
He invited me over as kind of a housewarming thing, but I said I'm busy tonight.
Too busy for your house.
Didn't tell him with what.
To be fair, he did message me at like 4 o'clock to say, oh, I just bought a house. And
I just wanted to show it off.
with the keys in his hand. Hello.
Hey, you okay?
What up, dog?
How's the rice?
Decent, thanks.
Yes. You guys gonna start soon?
Yes.
Okay.
I think. Hello, Pyro. How are you doing?
Oh, you already started?
Yeah, just now.
Okay.
Ah, there it is. Okay, cool. Everything's working. I have tested things this time, and they work.
People light up when they join chat.
You don't know about this?
I don't.
You're literally on here.
Wait, literally text on the live stream now.
If you message on live stream, your thing will light up.
That's actually dumb.
How do you not know about this?
You haven't upsold it enough.
Thank you, Pyro. Another year older, I know. And there go the bubbles.
That's like the saddest yippee. Oh, they're gonna go on the printer bed. They're trying.
I need to wash that printer bed anyway. I've been touching it. Why do YouTubers always start live streams when I'm going to walk the dog? Are you paid by my ASP? No. Okay, I'm here now. Cool. Hello. I don't know what we want to do today. There's a few things I can do, but I haven't decided on what I am doing. I have written them down. So number one, we have tried to convert my my Ender 3 into a CNC. I've not done any research, and I have no idea how to get started with that. But we could do the research on the live stream, which would be pretty boring. But if you want to do that, sure. We have. I need to make a better light for my microscope because the one that currently comes with them is kind of ass. So we could do that. Other options are take apart a printer. I have a printer that I need to take apart. We can take apart a printer. And the last two things are oh no. Oh, okay, we're not going that high. Cool. The other thing is try to make this thing smart, but that's again more programming than interesting. And then we have fixing the induction stove. So my dad gave me an induction stove a while back, and it's broken, and I've not tried fixing it yet. I have a feeling if I try fixing it, Joseph might give me scary looks. So I'm tempted by that one. So, if you guys want to decide, let me know. I also have a gift from Joseph that I need to open on the live stream. Can you do me a... Oh, yeah. I have closed the door. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you very much. Make the... oh. Yeah, the idea was to have it controlled by the stream. I mean, it's already got an ESP in there, so we're just really just flashing it with ESP home and just like setting the servo to do the thing. So it wouldn't be that bad. I just don't think it's particularly interesting to watch. How's my volume, by the way? I've not... It looks fine on my end, but usually it isn't. Make Skynet LGBT. Okay, it's interesting. Bit low. Okay. Let's see if I can turn it up. Button. Hello. How is my... I'm projecting. This slider doesn't want to go any higher. I'm definitely using this microphone, right? Yes, definitely this microphone. Okay. Right. Okay, fine. I'll try doing this, making this smart, I guess. Or do you want me to open your gift first?
No, I think we should do that midway through the stream.
Okie dokie. I've had a long day today. I'm pretty tired. And I've already had a coffee. I need to move this camera up a bit. Doop, 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 doop. Joseph grabbed his mic. Okay. Can I do the other camera? Wait, hold on. Studio mode. Nope. Yeah. Okay. Let's move that over here. Cool. So there is the flag waver, and inside here is a battery from an old vaporizer that I found on the street, a USB-C charger circuit thing, and an ESP826661 mini, and it does not turn on when I turn it on. I mean, the ESP does, but it doesn't have any code loaded onto it. So let's try and do that then. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Let's hope this doesn't break anything. Oh, I need to grab that ESP out. There we go. Bless you. It is plugged in. Oh no, that's out of frame. This camera's crappy. There we go. Cool. Bubble. The commands are in the description. You're missing an S. Bubbles. Right, let's open up my Home Assistant so I can go to ESP Home. Did I already try flashing this? I did already try flashing this, so I already have code for this. Huh. Then why doesn't it work? Flag waiver. Okay, well, that kind of worked. I don't think that's how it's supposed to work. I mean,
It's waving.
it's trying. That's almost better.
I don't want to say what that reminds me of.
I don't. Okay.
My guess is that you've got a set position, but it can't actually reach that position. It keeps overshooting every time.
Probably. Oh dear. Did I give it a position? I'm sure I must have. Servo level. The flag jerker. Oh dear.
Flag jiggler.
Flag jiggler. Okay. I like this beat. It's the most music you're gonna get on my stream. Well, that was supposed to turn it off.
It reminds me of the gimbal when it's had enough of doing a live stream.
It's not even started and it's already had enough. I can't turn it off. Stop.
So I think it's where the flag shimmies as it stops. It's causing a bit of a feedback loop.
Yeah, it seems to be. I like this feedback loop. Okay. For some reason this code uses levels for controlling the server hole. Why? Why not position? Wait. Target level range from minus 100% to 100%, or from -1 to. Okay, so let's screw around. Let's set it to -1 and +1. That's a 0. And let's get rid of that for now. Oh no, go away. Oh no, go away. Dismiss. I'm gonna copy that and upload. The flog wave even more ADHD than now. Oh no. What do you mean I'm missing the API? But it's there, isn't it? Oh, it's not. No, it is. The fudge? Huh? How does that... What? Okie dokie. That's why I didn't want to do this on stream, because I suck at coding things live. It's exciting, isn't it? ADHD flag. That is pretty funny. ChatGPT, solve my issues. Apparently this will fix all of my problems. Nope, get it. That did not solve my problems. Still did not solve my problems. Why are you complaining about that now? If I can't figure this out in the next 10 minutes, we're moving on.
Leon says, I noticed that you almost always are in front or of half your patrons on your board. Can you move the boat to another place so everybody can see it?
I'm sorry, I moved the boat to another place?
That's what it says. I'm guessing they mean board though.
I noticed you're always in front of half your patrons on your board. Okay, can you move the board to another place so we can see it? Not particularly. I can probably move it like, well, it's currently screwed into the wall. I could move it up, but I'd have to do that for next live stream because I don't fancy drilling a hole in the wall today. Yeah, I don't have a lot of space to work with. I'll just duck. I'll just be like this. There, problem solved. Now everybody's happy.
Brandon says, happy celebration.
Happy celebration. Why it's still broken? I'm just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna tell it to do a new one. Da 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 da. Yes. Yeah, I don't really have anywhere else I can move this board to. Could have it on that wall, but then you won't see it even more. Can't really move myself because then it's kind of the only place where I can be. Oh, that's not what I was supposed to do. Stop. Stop. Don't touch me. This was my moon. Install, plugged into the computer. Now we have to wait for it to compile. Hooray! Man, how am I this tired? Is it the heat? It's probably the heat.
Could be your age.
It's probably my age.
Immediately become a pensioner.
Immediately pensioner. It's funny, my mum and I were talking about retirement age today.
Are you ready to retire?
I think she needs to wait till like 68.
It goes up every few years though. So every time you get close, it moves.
One day we will be retired. Or dead.
Both will be a nice rest.
So both will be a nice rest. Does anybody need tea or coffee?
I'm good at the moment, thanks.
I don't think you know how to make my teas.
Which one?
Green tea.
That's the green one, right?
No.
Oh, I clearly don't. I'm waiting for Sketch to compile. I'm not just wasting time. I'm wasting time because I'm tired.
That camera's not showing much.
Which one? This one or this one?
That one.
Well, it's not really there. Perfect. Perfect. Still not showing much. Maybe I need more sugar.
You're gonna have a major sugar crash though afterwards.
But that can happen after the stream, so I think it would be beneficial. Ooh, Sketch is done. Right. Right. ESP, do. Port not open. Why port not open? Open the port. God damn it. It's being annoying. Okay, goody. It's being very annoying. Maybe I just not do that? Oh, that's such a bubbles. I don't think I can do that like that. I wish that's how that worked. Right, well I don't need that because that's broken. I shouldn't be changing that. So that should be correct. still correct. That's right, that's correct. So why are you being a doofus? I'm so confused. Really? Oh, golly. Why is typing hard? Right. Mine. In here. Does it need to go with... Does that fix my problem? Fixed by adding a single line of code. For some reason it was outdated, but that will still not move the servo. That's just ESP Home being funky.
I think you should take the printer apart.
I think I should take the printer apart. I'll get the printer. Where did this printer come from? Because you brought me it.
With my parents.
Yeah.
I thought it was a 3D printer. You said you had to take apart.
No, 2D printer. I've got an Ender 3 that I want to turn into a CNC.
That's maybe where I got mixed up.
Probably. Oh goody, crunch. There we go. There's the beautiful printer. Why is it so dirty? Right, move that, move that. Don't need that in the way. Oh, it's got like a proprietary adapter as well. How low am I going? Oh, I'm going all the way down. Hip hip hooray.
Ignacio says hello.
Hello, Ignacio.
And Ignacio was the one that set your desk this low.
I've noticed. Thank you, Ignacio. I should point out Joseph is in my chair, so I do not have a chair.
Would you like a chair?
I would not like a chair. I will suffer the pain of being like this. Oh, it's heavy. Is it a dumbbell? I say I just keep guessing until I find out. We've got a scanner. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, it's a fancy one.
I think it works. It's just every time we got round to using it, the ink was just always dry.
That sounds like a pretty normal thing with a printer.
I just bought a toner printer instead.
Oh. Ow. That hurt my nail. I don't have a motor jar anymore. All the motors are in one of my boxes. So there's still a lot of motors. I don't have... Well, you know what? No, I'll just take you apart then. I was gonna do it slowly and carefully, but no. As soon as I see a screw, I'm taking a screw out. Oh, by the way, Joseph does still have silly string. So if you want him to silly string me, there is a PayPal link. I forget, how much did we set it to? $5?
$5, yeah.
$5. Get out. Get out. Ooh. That's a very quick printer entry. I don't think I've been inside a printer this quick. It's almost like they tried making it repairable. No, it's definitely a HP, so no. Oops. This is fun. Ugh. Don't touch those. It doesn't look very dry. In fact, it looks very wet. I don't want ink on my fingies, but I will have to deal with it if it happens. Oh, they come out this side. Like so. Ooh, inky.
I'm guessing they don't expect you to take the whole top of the printer off to take the cartridges out.
No, but it was literally just 4 screws. Which is the fastest HP disassembly I have done yet. I will put those in my old bag of Cheetos. Right. Still like these. They're the strips they use for alignment and positioning, which I can't take off. Oh, okay, cool. Mine. It's a strip with very, very thin lines on it, which you will not be able to see. But wait, no, I have a microscope. We'll be able to see them. I just need to reconfigure stuff on.
Affiliate links in the description.
That is true. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a link.
Oh, okay. Why is that flashy light?
Because the USB supply does not supply enough power to it. But I can turn it off maybe? Nope, won't let me. Nope, can't turn the lights off. Even though there's a switch for it, I can't turn it off. I can unplug them, but then we won't be able to see anything. I'll just use my phone torch, it's fine. Right, I need to go into studio mode so I can add this camera as a source. Add. USB camera, that's it. Cool. Okay. I need to grab me, this one, and put it in here. And now we transition. See, I'm getting professional. I'm learning how to use OBS after years of using it. Zoom. Tiny lines. Maybe it's better on a white surface. Hold on. A white surface comes included with the printer. After struggling. There it is. Tiny lines. There they are. And there's a little encoder in the printer that reads each of those lines. Well, not exactly reads each of those lines, but it knows where they are, so we can find its position. I hope this was a fun tangent. Can I bring it closer? Zoom. There. Lines. Wait, I forgot about the light. It looks decently bright on my screen, but then on there it looks very dim. Weird. Beautiful. Well, now that we're done looking at that, let's transition back to this one. Transition. And we'll keep the telescope there just in case we need it. Does this have additional Wi-Fi? It does have additional Wi-Fi. It's got like a whole separate card for Wi-Fi. At least I think it's Wi-Fi. I didn't consider printer might be in the way of camera. Beautiful. Should I set it on fire?
I'm gonna go no.
Okay. Okay, but hear me out.
I second now.
But it's my birthday.
We can set you on fire.
Ignacio says happy birthday.
Thank you. Yet another day of the week. Can I pop that off? Can't pop that off. Can I pop that off? I don't like it when things don't pop off. What if I just... That was the correct answer! And I got ink on my fingers. Yay!
J-Bomb says hello, happy birthday.
Hello, J-Bomb. J-Bomb? Ah, J-Bomb. I recognize icons before names. Did I put it back? Oh, I kind of did. Okay. It's very greasy. Ow. Ow. In the bin. I think this is a somewhat newer printer than the ones I normally take apart. You can tell because they've managed to make everything super cheap.
J-Bomb asks, how's it going?
I'm alive. I made it another year. Apart from that, I'm pretty tired. It's been a long day. I had to go to the hospital today with my mum, not me. She's fine. She just had a kidney scanned. No kidney stones. Hip hip hooray. Why did they use talks everywhere here? I'm not promising this is going to be a long stream like normal, by the way. Although next stream should be better. Fingers crossed. My only problem is we're going to have to find something else to do because making a cake does not take that long. Ooh, I needed one of them, I think. Assuming it's what I think it is. Would you like a Wi-Fi card? It's got an antenna slot.
Ignacio says, does not take that long. Making a cake is such a lengthy process.
It really doesn't. Baking it, sure. Actually, like, mixing the stuff up, it really doesn't. You can like mix up the butter and everything and be done in like 10 minutes. Even quicker if you have a whatchamacallit, a mixer. I forget what it was called. Doo-doo. Oh no, my torch is stolen. I'm a boomer. Oh, thank you for sharing the link in the Discord, Pyro. Wait, this is a motor. What is that power? Does that just go left and right? Hold on.
J-Bomb asks, do you like chocolate?
Yes. Depends on how dark. Yes, I like chocolate, but it does not always like me. I'm up to tomfoolery. Oh my god, just pop out, please. There we go. And now we grab my power supply. Aha! So that moves the paper assembly. But can I grab a piece of paper? They in the drawers.
No.
No? Are they in here?
Art cupboard, left hand side. The one where the sculptures in, there's some there on the left.
Gotcha. Bam, 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 bam,
It's
bam, bam, bam. Wait, did you say A3?
A3.
Oh, I need A4.
I don't have A4 to hand.
Okay.
You can cut A3 to half to get A4.
I know how paper works.
Okay. Some people don't. Hey, a lot of people don't.
I know how paper works. I was an art student, thank
were
you.
not, I'm so sorry.
I will use this newfound knowledge and create an A4 sheet of paper.
No, I request A5.
Ah, shit. Thank you, J-Bomb. How can I?
Ignacio asks, will you be soaking the sponge with liquor?
Will I be soaking the sponge with liquor?
Rum cake.
I've not made rum cake. Is it good?
Nor have I.
Okay, well, I guess we'll see if I can make rum cake. Or gin cake, because... So I'll be drinking gin and making a rum cake.
Don't mix.
This might be a catastrophe waiting to happen. Oh no, my script failed. What happened?
Get Lifty says, hello, happy birthday, what's going on?
My script stopped working. I'm taking apart a printer, as usual. And I've plugged it into my external power supply for some shenanigans. Now I should be able to just run it backwards. Hold on. Because I don't know where this paper's supposed to go in.
I think it goes in the top.
Oh, wait, no, this thing needs to be closed. Okay. It's expecting this to be closed. Now, yes, it is supposed to go in the top, but for some reason, it did not want to go in the way it should. Also, I'm not moving the right assembly to suck it in, which makes me think there's another motor somewhere in here controlling this assembly. Who controls this assembly? Where is this motor?
J-Bomb sent you £10 and says, good happy birthday then. And would have given more, but haven't been paid yet.
No, that's alright, every little helps, thank you very much.
Ignacio says, Vermouth and rum work great.
I am confused. Apparently doing that controls the speed of the printer. Oh. So like this, it's drawing 0.27 milliamps. And like this, it's drawing a whole 0.11 milliamps. Why do you do that? So I'm controlling this motor, which is spinning this thing. But then who control? At what point does this one get engaged? I mean, there's another wire here, which I assume goes to a motor, but I don't know that for sure. Goes in there, goes in there. I mean, let's try and figure it out. Where's my... Beautiful. Beautiful. This one also does have... No, I don't think that's a motor. I think that's probably a sensor of some sort. Confirmed, not a motor. Okay, so this one will move the carriage up and down, which is not what we want. Unless this is a stepper motor.
J-Bomb says, unfortunately I can't stay, so have a good one.
It's alright, you can rewatch it later. thanks for stopping by anyway. And thank you for the toner. Really appreciate it. Motor. Ugh. That's where all the ink goes to die. It's gross. I won't be able to get it close enough. There. That's a big puddle of ink down there. Oh, come on. Oh, well, Do. Big puddle of ink. I should also make a light for this camera, but then this camera should be replaced soon. Hopefully. Sweet. I mean, I've already... Okay, fine. I'll take this one off because I've technically already removed the carriage, so there's no point in trying to move the carriage. But if I need a linear actuator for something, this would probably be a good thing to use. Although I don't have projects with linear actuators in my mind right now. Nice. Set that aside. So where's the motor for this then? That doesn't connect. That doesn't connect. Maybe it just doesn't. Bloop, bloop. No, disconnected it. Yes, we have accomplished something. Can I go backwards?
Have you got any cheese you can put through it?
No. Oh, if you run it backwards, it works with that. What? That's so counterintuitive. How on earth does that work?
Jetlifty says, it occurs to me that I don't actually know how a printer releases ink. Is it some sort of electrical or mechanical wizardry?
I don't know, but I've just saw something cool happen. Look at this.
And Ignacio responds to that, saying, in the most wasteful way possible.
Honestly, it's true. Look, there's sponges in here that are full of ink here and here and here and here, and then there's a cesspit of ink on that side as well with a sponge. So yeah, it's just there to suck up all of the ink. I was looking at this thing. Hold on, let me move this out the way. Greasy. Because this thing does a cool thing when you change directions. Cool. Right down there.
You keeping those screws?
No, you can have them.
Get them out of the way, otherwise they're going to fall on the floor.
Yeah. Oh, my knees. Ow. Can somebody lift up my desk? My knees hurt. And it's not an age thing. So when I run this here, see that bit? It moves one. Hold on, let me get a light. Beautiful. This bit. We're looking at this bit. This bit. This bit changes directions when I do a flip. And it makes that motor move the paper in. And then when you flip directions again, doot 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 doot, it makes the thing go the other way. Oh, I plugged it into ground. See? It does cool things. What an interesting mechanism. Thank you for lifting my desk up. I'm going to move my camera again. Hello, look, my legs. Doot, doot, doot. Oh no, where am I? Here I am again. Cool. Cool, so they do both of those with one motor.
The Cure has entered the chat and says, hello, Melly.
Hello. Why are you shaking it up?
Just cause.
Just for fun? Can't see it, but Joseph is a very aggressive, not aggressively, I think intimidatingly shaking up the silly string can. Alright, well that's how printed as the thing. Let's see if we can.
You have had a £10 donation, so does that count as silly string?
Well, the problem is he's already left, so he wouldn't be here to witness it.
So as soon as he comes back.
If he comes back, then yes. And if he gives you specific... Something move here? If he says you can, then yes. I really love those optical beam sensors in here. Well, in all printers for some reason. Which reminds me, I need a thing. Do I have a thing? Hold on. I'll check it later because there's stuff in the way. I might need one of those sensors actually. I have a door project and it's not working out the way I hoped. Can I take that off? Yes, I can. Fixed it. There's the problem. I'm still trying to get to, I think, is that? Oh, so that goes to that sensor. Okay, so I definitely burnt it by putting 6 volts into it. Whoopsie. Okay, so can I set this on fire? Okay.
Do you remember the sausage? The sausage out of the laser printer. Squeegee sausage.
This is just a really, a really fast spinning pole. I feel like I could do something with this, but I don't know what. Here, hold my spinny stick. Don't touch the spinny pot. I wasn't expecting you to do anything with it, just look, it spin. Oh, the things that entertain us. If you let go, oh, okay, yeah, I assumed that was gonna happen. Oh no, overcurrent protection kicked in. Oh.
GetLifty says, if you tape 2 pieces of paper in a loop and run the printer motors indefinitely, you could make your own bad spinny advertisement.
What, you mean like one long loop? That'd be interesting. I don't think printers would like that because they look for the end of the paper.
But it's not smart anymore, you ripped that out of it.
Well, yes. I don't have the paper for this though. Maybe with the other printer we have, although the other printer is actually still needed because I need the scanner from it. But yeah, potentially. That's the other printer I was gonna use for the chat ready outy thingy, printy outy thingy. Maybe I could do that. No, I was just gonna give myself a whole load of work. No. Apart from that, I think there's just gears in here. And this one sensor that's actually, I think, easier accessible from the bottom than from the top. So much of this printer is available from the bottom. Yeah, and now you guys can't see anything. This is why you don't move my desk. There. Commands. They're in the description. I'm not fancy enough to have a bot that actually prints them in the chat. No, that's an ink touchy thingy. Nope. In the bin you go. I don't want to be dirty because I'm already dirty. Ow. No. No. There's little tabs here that hold the cable in, so I'm just breaking them out. They're in the way. See, another rotatey detecty thingy. Oh no, there's ink on my... Everything is fine. What are you stuck on? There's nothing in your way. There's nothing in your way. Why won't you come out? Shush. You know what? I don't need this whole cable. Let me just take it there. Problem solved. Oh no, my screwdriver's landed in the ink. Yep, that's everything from this printer that was interesting. But that's okay, because we still have the scanner bit of this printer. Also, that reminds me, this thing has the same kind of thing, but circle, and I think I actually need that bit. Though it does look very flimsy. We'll see. Let's deal with the scanner. First of all, it uses stepper motors, doesn't it? No, probably use DC. Out of my way.
There's a tab there.
Oh. There's tabs all around. In a way, this is just held together by tabs. That is very true. Okay, well, there it is. Yes, it is just a DC motor. Fantastic. Well, if anybody wants a scanner, there it is. Now this should just be an LED light. So that means there's a wire in here that I can use just to power on that light. What are these? I can't see those. Too dark. Where's my phone at? Oh no, what did I do? That's what I'm after. What are those? Oh, that's really hard to see. That is nothing interesting. Those are just holes. Okay. Oh no, oh no, no. Go away. Oh, another spinny thing. So many spinny things. I'm pretty sure I should be able to just turn on this LED. Let's go with a conservative 5 volt. Let's do like this. I'm gonna assume that that is ground, and we will touch each of these and see if it does anything. Nothing. Oh, it doesn't work. Big sad. Aw, I was playing with that.
I think you should try them 4 pins at the end.
Alright. If you say so.
Try 3 volts as well.
3?
Yeah.
That means I have to try the order. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Ooh, blue. Red. Where? So wait, that one's... Oh, so it's just an RGB LED. Why does that one change colors? Weird. Okay, let's find a... Can I solder pins to that? Yeah. I don't want to use my good wire. Hold on, let me take some crappy wire out.
Wires on the ends of the motors you could use.
I guess. It doesn't matter. I'll just use that. That is only $3. $3. Are you happy you missed the housewarming party for this? We do have cake.
That's why I'm here.
You're just here for the cake. Would you like some digestives until I decide I want to bring over the cake? Oh no. What are you caught on? Oh, is that for you? No. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
It's caught on like a little
Oh,
bigger.
it's... Gotcha. Thank you. And let's hope I don't burn myself with fire. Cool.
It's only your birthday once a year. I can go to my friend's house anytime.
I think this is the most people I've ever had at a birthday party. I don't have very exciting birthdays if you can't tell.
You wait till you open your present.
It's gonna be another person.
You brought him. I'm not doing a good job of soldering these on.
I think on your most recent video, there was a solder joint you did on underneath the microscope, and I kind of cringed when I saw it. But
I am aware of this. This was the ground pin or the VCC pin.
But then
I did go back and redo it.
I think you unsoldered it all anyway, didn't you? And
I did, yeah.
yeah. So I was
But I
relieved.
did go back and redo that pin anyway afterwards. It was because it took a little bit too long and I was editing to the beat of the, well, not to the beat, but I was editing to a certain time per thing. Tempo, sure. And, yeah, I was like, people are going to notice that one's iffy, but that's fine. Anything they'll comment.
Get Lifty asks, is the present an entire raw onion eaten on stream?
No. It's too heavy to be an onion. Unless it's a lot of onions. I don't know. I still need one more cable. I guess you will have to be sacrificed. Is it an onion?
Not an onion.
Not an onion. Confirmed. Joseph says not an onion. Wow. The donation from Jabum has more likes than the stream. Which is good, I appreciate it. And in there. Where did that go? Right. So now I have control. I already forgotten the combination. Oh, I found it. Sick. Yeah, I don't. This one confuses me because this one lights up blue but then turns red. 5 volts? Doesn't seem. Well, maybe let's try all of those at the same time. The answer is purple. Well, where's the red though? Joseph, is this a clever thing I'm not understanding?
It's possible you killed red.
Ah. Well, that's...
Although, if you're getting purple...
Well, I'm getting red.
Okay.
And now I'm not getting the other colors. Huh. Okay, so I've probably killed them. Whoopsie. Worm gear.
Yeah, I smell burny.
I don't. I don't smell burny. I smell soldery, but not burny.
Maybe not then.
Oh, I should probably keep this one actually. It comes with a built-in encoder. built-in encoder. Fancy motor. Sick. Okay, well then I accidentally burned that. Right, so this should be the interface.
That's right. Vanessa to Duncan something.
It's just some buttons and the screen. Very fascinating. I'm gonna make the screen light up. I'm just gonna burn all the electronics on this. One of you has got to be power. I'm gonna assume that's a ground pin. And now LED. Wait, what voltage am I on? 4 volts, that's fine. No. I made LED go blink. And also partially blinded myself, but everything's fine. Okay. Do it this way. No. Stop it. Being Ooh. Getting digits. Oh, this is one of those preset displays with stuff already on it. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, well, I don't need more buttons, so in there you go. I am determined to get this to spin as well. Spin. Yes. Huh? Ow. Art.
Belongs in this museum is not obsolete.
That's as high as I can go.
I was waiting for it to explode.
Me too. Huh, it made that part of my my screwdriver very shiny.
How high does that power supply go up to?
32 volts. Much disappointed. I don't think that bit is supposed to go over that motor. Fuck.
GitLifty says, I went to change my printer's filament and I could just hear progressively scarier motor noises.
I feel like I could use this for something, but I don't know what. Scanners are already annoying as they are. I don't think I need a DIY one.
I wasn't paying attention. What was it?
It just goes back and forth. But I could use this for something.
You could make like a Pong game, like a mechanical Pong game.
That sounds hard. Good. Instrument unlocked. Yeah. Shave my nail. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Nail file.
You know when you just closed it. Come on. I got stuck on my thing. There we go. Fascinating. Well, I don't need that. Alrighty. Right, I should wait. In the bin. This is the inky inks. I mean, I want the board because the board has a thingy on it. Get out. Oh, that's holding you in. What was that? Good boy. I'm gonna have to cut that. Thank you. I appreciate bending my back at my age.
Camera needs moving.
I know. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should stick to streaming on Monday. It seems to be better. Maybe it's because I got everyone used to that date. To be fair, I had a good Monday evening. Ow. I got stabbed by a capacitor. Cool. Do we need a random pane of glass? I'm gonna have to wash my hands before touching anything after this. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Glass. That's a good piece of glass. You know what this glass needs? This glass needs some fire. It's good glass. It's 10 out of 10 glass.
I'm waiting for it to shatter.
It won't. It's a good piece of glass. Maybe I should move the fuel away. It's gone for longer than I expected. That was somehow the smoothest fade out. Cool. Fire. Pyro was satisfied. Okay. Did you find anything interesting on this?
Not particularly.
Okay. Is this a 3.3 volt regulator thing?
Maybe. I'm not sure. Didn't have a proper look at it.
It has letters and numbers. It's only because I need one for my Arduino that I've accidentally kaboomed.
Say BCP69.
BCP69. Hey Siri, what's a BCP69?
Okay, I found this on the web for what's a BCP69. Check it out.
Okay, it's come up with the artist 69.
It's a transistor.
Oh, that's the worst kind of trans. No, nobody. Okay. Jokes are landing flat today. Don't need that. In that case, I don't think I need anything on it. Unless anybody needs a HP Wi-Fi module. Oh, a product of China. Who would have thought? Okie dokie. Goodbye. I should keep this because this is where this thing goes. So this is where this thing reads the thingy. So I should keep this.
Get Lifty said, all transistors and resistors welcome here.
True. Oh no. Cool. Okay, keep that because I need that. Or do I need this one? Oh no, this one's the one for the spinny one. This one's for this one. I do still kind of need this one. Okay. Right, so I don't need the hot dog. But I'm going to be stuck with the... Did they put foam in the hot dog? There is foam. And, oh, I can't reach it. Something long and pointy. What? Was that just a really tight fit? Oh, it was. How fascinating. And I broke it. Okay, well, goodbye. Oh, it does come out. That's nice. Do I need the motor? Oh no, it's broken. It does come off. Good. Means I can reuse this motor for something else. And that one I'm keeping. And this one I'm keeping. I think I'm keeping this whole thing though. Ooh, a spring. Ooh, a spring. Good. I needed multiples of the same spring. I have a lot of springs. They're just all different. And yet another spring. I should mention I am notoriously
Is the
bad
window
at...
open?
No. I should mention I'm notoriously bad at receiving gifts. You can ask Jaime.
I wasn't listening. Sorry, what?
I said I'm notoriously bad at receiving gifts.
Oh, don't worry. It's nothing to get too excited about.
I need that. Another spring. Oh. Huh. Same spring. Just doubled up. I don't need that. Okay. And then and final motor from this assembly that I will keep. I want to make another, like, a video similar to, like, making a boat on a boat. But I can't think of anything particularly interesting to do in that scenario.
Karen says, I turn 40 in a couple of months.
Huh. Good for you, Karen.
Could make a bus on a bus.
A bus on a bus.
There's a lot of slow routes.
I did consider plane on a plane, but that seems risky. Train on a train. How would that... See, but then, like, how would that work? Would I just be making a train set? Do I just assemble a train set?
Or you could train as in weightlifting.
On a train?
Yeah, or
No, that just sounds like New York subway.
You've seen our subways, right?
Yeah, basically the same thing.
Yeah, anything goes.
We had a homeless guy yell at us yesterday.
It wasn't pessimistic.
He just said, "Have a good day," and I said, "Thank you, I will." And then we walked off, and am I allowed to say what he said out loud?
Just say it abruptly.
And then he shouted, "Don't have sex." Just out of nowhere. Just don't have sex.
It implies that. It implies so much. I need to know the story. Why?
Homeless man spitting knowledge. Yeah, got it. It does just pop off. Cool. Keep. Maybe keep. Maybe keep. Keep. Maybe keep. 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 Not keep. Keep. Not keep. You keep. Springs can go in my spring collection. And I will wear them next year. I've lost my springs. There they are. And there you go. Cool. Train on a train. Could be a gravy train on a train. What if I just train an AI model on the train? Keep touching the ink splodges. Right, I will go and wash my hands. And I may or may not return with tape. Would you like a beverage? Beverage?
You asked me last time. I gave you an example.
Yeah, but okay, so green tea. You have a lot of tea. Where is it?
When you open the drawer, it's on the left-hand side in a black tin. It's the front one. That
Gotcha.
one's green tea, and it's half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon in that little green thingy?
In the strainer, yeah.
Okay.
And just boiling water.
Just boiling water. Okay. I will attempt to make green tea. I shall be back shortly after washing my hands.
I can provide biscuits. Is the window open?
Okay, you say black tin, but there are 4 black tins.
The one at the front. And you've mixed them all now, haven't you?
No.
Who would like to know what's in the present?
If you pick the black tea by mistake, my iron will drop.
It's not just an onion. It's 2 onions. Would you let him eat an onion again?
He has something to go down with it this time, so sure. We found the worst percussion was flatulence the next day,
Okay.
so sure. Now we know it won't make him puke.
Ow. Let me just move down. Was it already down here? I kicked your shoe. It hurt.
Hurt the shoe or hurt you?
Hurt me. How long does your tea need to brew for?
Oh, it's boiling water, so I usually take it out straight away.
Ah, okay. Well, I'll leave that on the side.
On the back of that box it says coloured cream may stain and could be bitter to taste.
Oh, I've never noticed that before. I can't read it from here. What else does it say?
You just have it straight, right?
Yeah, just straight.
Store fresh cream cakes in the fridge and consume within 24 hours. We hope you really enjoyed this cake. We would love to hear your feedback. Feedback at cakebox.com. Order online at cakebox.com.
I had mine for a week and it still tasted fine.
Cake reveal.
Cake in a box.
Cake in a box.
Are we gonna have POV your cake?
POV of cake.
Get Lifty says, bitter cake.
Cake. Hold on. Oh. Now I have to readjust cameras again. That's the one. It is. Okay, unplugged. I just adjusted that. There. Cake. Handmade happiness.
It's not safe for work, is it? He's not had it
I don't
decorated.
know. Oh, it's very unsafe for work.
What do you mean?
This box is a little intimidating considering the cake.
What do you mean?
Hold on.
Okay, I can see a tiny picture of the cake on screen.
I was gonna open up the box more. There.
It's a very nice looking cake.
It's a very nice looking cake. I was just intimidated by the box size, and it's a decently sized cake for multiple people.
Ignacio says, but you didn't look comfy, referring to the desk going up.
Oh yeah, thank you. I do appreciate it. Cake reveal. I get to enjoy this bit, and you guys get the cake.
Cake tape.
Cake tape.
Cake tape. Cake tape.
How do I even make
You
do I
get it,
just...
no, you get a butter knife and put it all the way along, flat side down. I am a professional.
It's very sweet. It's almost as if it's a cake. It's okay, you guys will get a slice eventually.
Chief Bacon 6 says, looks like the portal cake.
It's a lie.
This is good. The chocolate mousse is very chocolatey. Also, some of the ink of my fingers came off. Not all of it.
Get Lifty says, now I'm really hungry, and Pyro says, it's a lie.
You guys can come over and I will give you a slice of cake. How big of a slice would you like?
Do I need a plate?
I did not
Probably.
consider this. I will find plates in a second. Oh no. I will go find a plate. Maybe
Ignatius-
next. Oh, sorry.
Ignacio says, send address. It's safe to do it online. And Pyro says, on my way.
I don't actually know where Pyro's from. You get a strawberry. Do you want strawberry or do you want a? Oh well, wait. There, you can have both.
Is that mine? Or...
That one's for you, so you can grab that. Do you need a spoon? I hope you don't need a spoon.
I can reuse my fork, it's fine.
Okay, good.
Do you want me to pass that over?
Good.
Oh, that was a surprise. Sorry, I keep dissociating.
Understandable. We have cake.
Get Lifty says, only a small cost of £200,000 for a train to London from the Midlands. And Pyro says, I'm from the Netherlands, so not
Oh,
that
that's
bad.
right. A train from the Midlands is £200. Jesus. Actually, I think Pyro would be faster and cheaper to get here because he'd have to fly. Yeah, transport outside of London, not great. It's very sweet. Thumbs up for cake.
Fudgy.
Fudgy. It is very fudgy. I like the fact that I assume Ali's not home and he brought me the cake. So he gets to watch us eat cake.
On playback.
On playback.
Right now, you're literally the kid who's repeating my joke but louder.
Get
There's
Lifty,
no microphone near you, so nobody can hear you.
Get Lifty said, probably be faster to send a carrier pigeon. I know Royal Mail do 24-hour delivery.
Maybe just package yourself and send yourself. Be quicker than getting the train.
Maybe the present is Get Lifty is in that in the parcel.
No, I'm sticking ear.
Wow. Even I'm overwhelmed with the amount of sugar in here. Hello, everybody. Hey, Ham, how are you doing? Sorry, I didn't mean to say that with my mouth full of cake.
He says you are so old.
I know, right?
You had full opportunity to say no.
Wait, I want to see if I can show them the conversation with my sister today.
The number's not at the top of the thing, is it?
Okay. I'll block her name, but she sent me a meme of a person just like with a cake, and then she sent me another meme that just says you are old, and then I replied with age is just a number, but you're older, because she's my older sister, and something about me wishing that I was as cool as she is at her age, which is a pretty lame thing to say for a cool person.
Pyro says, how does the cake taste?
If you grab a little bit of cake and then pile a shit ton of chocolate fudge on it, and then put some very messy chocolate, I forget what they're called, flakes. Oh yeah, no, twists are the ones that are covered in chocolate. Yeah, it tastes exactly like that.
Ignacio says, add Bailey's on top.
We don't have Baileys.
Also lactose.
Oh, I'm pretty sure this has lactose.
Oh, this is lactose.
Just no egg.
No, vegan does not taste as good.
I might post I forget what it's called, a YouTube poll in my community section asking about what cake I should make on the next live stream.
Didn't we already vote? It was red velvet.
No, that's just what I decided.
Did you finish cutting the cake before licking that?
Yes,
Did you?
mostly. I will put the knife away. Oh my god, it's so chocolatey. I will. Does anybody want more cake? No?
Get Lippy says, fun fact, flakes won't melt if you put them in the microwave.
What? Really? Why did my voice break? I'm sorry.
They break in the pocket. They melt.
Well, he says they won't melt.
No, they're in a microwave. I've left them in my pocket many times and I used to open it to sludge.
We distrust your methodology. We do not have a microwave to test this theory, though. Joseph, do you have a microwave?
At home, yeah.
Are you willing to put a flake in the microwave?
Maybe.
Joseph shall do some experimentation when he gets back. I need to put that back in the fridge because it'll go off.
That is more sugar than I was ready to have.
I know, right? You shall receive another piece of cake before leaving. You can take it home if you want.
I can microwave a bit of flake on it.
Saves you buying a whole new flake. Cool. Okay. Alright, let's open the gifts. Gift. Can I hit it?
If you want.
Ooh.
It feels... It feels like it could be rocks. It doesn't shake. It could be rocks.
It's just a small pet rock. Oh, you can 3D print a kennel.
You dick.
Is it bad Congratulations!
Now, when you asked, is it an onion, I didn't lie, because it's not an onion. It's 2 onions.
You've got 2.
I've got another one in my bag.
No way. Did it not fit?
It didn't fit, no, so you can have a third.
I don't-
Oh, there's specifically Sainsbury's too.
Oh, no, these are
Oh no, Morrison's, so I'm mistaken.
80 grams is 1 portion, apparently, so just so you know.
An onion a day.
Wait, so last time I ate 200 something grams, so I ate over a portion. Oh, can confirm. Nothing else in there. Just onions.
We can make omelette. We have eggs.
It's a good size onion though. I shall put them in the fridge. Not to be eaten raw. You know, I thought I was at the age now where people would just give me socks. I was not expecting onion. But thank you for the onions.
Anytime.
We shall put them in the next meal. Maybe. Would you like your envelope back? Still pretty good. Okay, I'll keep the envelope in case I need to send something out.
Do you want a third onion?
No, you can keep that one.
It's in an onion bag.
Onion stack.
Yeah.
That reminds me, these 2 are yours.
Oh, thanks.
If I forget about them.
Interesting trade.
I get onions, he gets a tripod and a spool holder.
Oh, it's a pair of socks. It's fine. They're clean.
I will let you enjoy that onion by yourself. Is that still okay? Oh, hold on.
The temptation just to eat it.
Okay, so Get Lifty has linked to an article on what is this? BBC Science Focus about why flakes don't melt in the microwave. Would you like to read the news article about why flakes don't melt in the microwave? I'm gonna assume it's something about heat dissipation. Because there's a lot of area in it.
So it says, although flake is made from milk chocolate, the manufacturing process gives it a different arrangement of fat and cocoa solids. So the melted fat isn't able to lubricate the cocoa particles to the point where they can flow. In a bain-marie, a flake will never melt. In the microwave, it eventually just burns.
Interesting. I do love the ads I get for the on the site. It is a funny pack that looks like men belly and high heels and other female products.
I think it was Pyro on Discord that linked these.
Oh,
You said you wanted socks.
very cute. £8 and they won't get here till August. Plus delivery. How much was delivery on them?
£8.50 delivery.
£8.50 delivery. Okay. Should we try to repair the stove thing? Joseph, how happy are you for me to play around with high voltage things? I know the answer is no.
You're a big boy now, you should make your own decisions.
Apparently I'm not allowed to because I'd just set everything on fire. Let me grab the thing, hold on.
How about they for some socks? Come in a little jar.
What? The literal pickles. Cool. Yeah.
You can open that.
We'll see. I'll try to fix it.
Oh yeah, and to do. Feel free to have some biscuits.
Will do.
Those biscuits? Oh, those biscuits.
Might overbring if I skip.
Yeah. I have hub. This is a hub that my parents gave me because it was brokey. Here's what's wrong with it. Oh no, what's wrong with it? Go out of studio mode. Right, so right now it's off, but if I try to turn it on, okay, well, oh, okay.
Dan has entered the chat and asks,
What
is
up,
that a
Don?
real induction stove?
Is that a real induction stove? Yes it is, I think. It was given to me by my father, for it is broken. So, ooh. It does that. It turns on, and then pretty much immediately just turns off. The fans are working though.
I'm going to say you're not going to be able to fix that.
Why?
I just don't think you're going to be able to. I think it's probably an electronic problem. Getlifty says, be careful with any form of AC. I got a giant shock off a DIY 10 volt AC supplier the other day. I felt the waveform in my fingers.
Ooh. Was it square? No, it's AC, so it wouldn't be square.
Dan says, I'm exhausted, naysayer.
I am also exhausted. It has been a very long day. So why don't you want to work? Okay, well, if I can diagnose the problem first. So power, function? No. It just beeps. It doesn't want to do anything else, and this one doesn't want to work.
It does sound like the fan struggling to spin on that one.
Does it?
Hmm.
Sounds pretty normal to me. Let's open it up. Unplugged. Screwdriver.
Getlifty says, does it not just need a pan on it to activate it? Most have safety built in.
I did not consider this. I will get a pan and we will investigate.
Are your pans induction friendly?
The Teflon.
Maybe.
We will find out. I have a pan. It's got some water. Because who doesn't like water and high voltage electronics? Right? Okay. No, we're still getting... That's either an E or a 3. That is an E. E0 error.
That's the Teletubby error code.
The Teletubby error code?
Yeah, uh-oh.
Oh dear, oh dear. Where the fuck do I put this now? Oh, because I'll step into it.
Jace the Aussie says, oh, that looks like a terrible DJ setup. Pyro says, on a side note, I really like the UK power plug. Other than that, it's a little large. All the safety features built into the plug, it's nice.
I agree. It is
Dan
a very good
says-
thing. It's the best thing Britain has done.
Dan says induction heaters just oscillate the electrons in ferrous metal back and forth to create heat, right?
I think Joseph is more qualified to answer this question.
I have no idea. I'm guessing so. That sounds about right. If someone asked me, I would probably give that as an answer. So,
Could you do me a quick favor? Could you look up this model and see if we can get any data sheet on it? It is a AINDH 2002. 2,800 kilowatt.
what do you want to know about it?
I would like to know what error 03 is. Sorry, E0? How are you, Dan, by the way? How was your weekend been?
I'll see you in a couple of hours.
What are you up to?
Lucky.
Oh, of course. Okay. Ta-da! Ooh, thermal paste. This boy's an Intel.
Error E0 means no cookware or inappropriate cookware.
Oh. I see.
Dan says, happy birthday again.
Thank you. So then, is a Teflon one not appropriate?
Does it have markings on the bottom?
What kind of markings?
Maybe something to say that is good for induction.
To be fair, my parents use induction constantly, and they've only had issues with this one. They've already replaced it. I shall let's have a look. Teflon. Does that tell you what you need to know? Do we need to look up the pan model number? Does it need a firmware update? I don't think I have any other ones. They're all Teflon. We have a cast iron skillet, but I don't think that's gonna work. Let's try turning it back on now that it's half disassembled. Off. On. Function. E0.
Get Lifty says cast iron is what you need.
What, for this?
Yeah.
Really?
It's ferrous material.
I was told cast iron was a no-no.
I don't think it's as efficient if it's a cast iron. I think
I will look into it.
pans that are thinner
course.
and designed for
Of course.
induction hobs are slightly better.
I have retrieved and cast iron skillet. It is very heavy. Well, that's annoying. I don't have anything in the... Oh, wow, that got hot real quick. Okay, well, that side works. This side doesn't.
Jace the Aussie says if a magnet sticks to it, you can use it.
Okay, well, this side doesn't work, because this side doesn't even turn on. Cool. Okay, well, half of it works. That got hot real quick. Damn. That's almost impressive.
Get Lifty says I'd like to say I called it from the start.
Shut up, Lifty. It's fine, you win, but don't brag about it. Okay, so now then, why doesn't this side work?
I'm gonna guess it's got a fuse.
Do you reckon? Should
So-
I?
Possibly in there. Check continuity against that black thing.
Can I remove this first? Just
I
for
would
access?
just
Just beep
get
beep.
it from there.
Okie dokie. Ta-da! Continuity. See, sometimes continuity doesn't want to continue, which is very annoying.
Cold Substance says, just joined, what's going on?
Fuse works.
That's working.
We are diagnosing a broken what is this? Induction stove. We've determined that this side works. I was just being stupid and using the wrong kind of skillet for it.
So the resistor in there looks like it's fried compared to that one.
Oh, it does. Yeah, okay. Let me take this off so we can have a closer look at it.
JC Ozzy says, gotta run, happy birthday.
Thank you, Ozzy. I shall see you again next time.
Get Lifty says, I hope there aren't any caps because your fingers are dangerously close.
I don't think so. Unless this is a capacitor, because there's another one here. We shall check. It's fine, I have Joseph here. Joseph's the smart one. He keeps me safe. He wouldn't let me touch anything. Oh.
That could be the
That could be the
thermal-
issue.
No, that's probably a temperature sensor, maybe.
Yeah, but it's still pulled off or broken. There.
It might have just been jammed in there.
Well, if it was a temperature sensor, wouldn't it need both sides to be
Let's
connected?
have a look.
It looks like it was going across because there's another broken bit here.
Oh yeah, that does look.
Yeah, so that's
it's come
broken.
off, yeah.
I think I might actually have one of those. Or not. Thermal paste. There's a lot of thermal paste, Jesus. Okay, well that's one. You heard something click, right?
It was just that moving.
Oh, okay, cool. I was worried I was going to get discharged. Okay, so we found one issue. The thermal couple's broken. Cool. Can I try connecting this one in here and seeing if that would work, if this one would start up?
Yeah, I'm a bit dubious about that
Resistor?
resistor.
The thing, well, you're probably smarter at this, so, but to me it looks like it had like tape on it or something. Because it's very even. No, it's probably charcoal.
I mean, if you're willing to potentially break the other side.
I mean,
of
I
the
can
process.
test them. Hold on, how do I check resistance? It's ohms, right? Ohms? So this one is, it's in circuit, so 32 ohm? What am I touching? 32-ish ohm. And this one is low. Okay, well this one's dead. Right. Okay, so that one's dead. I don't have one of those.
Sorry. Just brush the microphone up against something.
Oh, that's alright. Sure they don't mind. Right. So theoretically, I say theoretically way too much. I am so sorry. It bugs me more than anyone else.
Lifty says, Google says induction cooking uses 20 kilohertz and upwards AC, so if you do get shocked, it will just burn, not shock.
Oh, that's good to know. What's under here?
Something that gets very warm, I think.
That would make sense. That's why it's got a
Probably-
heatsink on it.
Probably MOSFETs.
Ooh. Okay. So I could. I don't have a big enough resistor for this. Do I have a power supply that might have a spare resistor of this size?
The thing is, I think the reason why that resistor's died is because of another reason. You won't find one in there. I'd be very surprised if you found the exact match.
It doesn't have to be an exact match. You think it would be further down the line?
Yeah, the resistor wouldn't have just cooked itself for no reason. And I'd be inclined to say it's something to do with the fact that
This guy's burnt.
yeah.
So if I replace this guy and I replace that guy, should be all fine.
Thing is with that, it looks like a very clean break.
Microscope.
Get Lifty says if the temperature sensor died, it could have just prevented something from stopping and killed the resistor. Yeah, that's kind of the train of thought I'm going down as well.
I wish I had enough power to use these lights. God damn it. The annoying thing is I cannot both power this. Oh, no, I can. I just need to be creative. 5 volts? Well, let's go 5 volts.
Maybe measure it before you stick it on it.
Measure what?
Measure what it's meant to be. And you're powering into the back of the camera, not into the lights.
No, it's going into the lights. Oh, no, yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, no, you are right. I was just gonna give it power backwards. That makes sense. Completely forgot. Okay.
Camera view's a bit naff.
Camera view's a bit naff. Sorry about that. This is why I kind of wanted to make a thing for this today, because the current solution is epilepsy, and nobody likes epilepsy. There, can you guys see? That's the broken.
No, they can't see because the camera's not showing that.
I know. Oh. I don't like this day. Okay. You know what? Historically, my birthday, hilariously horrible days. Okay, well, I can't take that light bulb out. I don't have another light bulb. Closest one I have is maybe this one. Ignore that. That's just to prevent our eyes being gouged out. Let there be light. Okay, well, I can remove that now. Looks like I'm looking into the abyss. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. There. There we go. Now we can see things. Kind of. I'm still blinded by the light.
Do you want me to hold the light while you hold the things?
If you could, kind of. Hold on, I might be able to do a thing to make it a little bit less blindy for us, because I am seeing nothing but polka dots. If you could hold that, that'd be fab. I will try to get rid of as much of the thermal paste. But yes, where are we? That's my thingy. That's the thingy. That's quite a clean bike. What is your expert opinion?
I think it's knackered.
You sure? Okay. But did it blow up or did it? What would make a thing blow up? Just like high temp? Because it is glass.
That'd be my guess.
So we got too hot. Okay, well we're done with the microscope, so that can go off. Ooh. Good enough. So, we now know what kind of... I'm still seeing dots. Everything is wrong. There we go. Right. It's a 20-volt fan. Loud as hell, though. Must be cheap.
Where was that light before?
On the back of that.
Because the shadows reappeared.
It's because this light is actually on. If I get rid of that, it's fine.
Cool.
Okay, so it's meant to be a 22 ohm resistor. Does that resistor go directly into that thing? Because they're very close to each other. No, because that goes there. The fan goes there. Wait, so is the resistor for the fan?
Is the window open?
Yeah, sure, I'll open the window. Jamie didn't want the window open earlier because they got cold. But I personally am pretty warm. Continuity, please. Okay, what do we think about me removing this board and trying to pick it up?
I think it's a bit of a lost cause. I don't think you're going to be fixing it today.
I wasn't thinking of fixing it right now. I just want to see if I can... How does the thingy know what metal's on it? Ooh. Is that supposed to be giving me continuity? Maybe.
You could do the unethical thing of buy another one, put that board in it, and then send it back saying it doesn't work.
That seems very unethical. Why wouldn't I just send them back this one and keep the new one?
Because it doesn't look new.
If you clean it up, I think it looks pretty fine. Damn it. Okay. I mean, I could just like hacksaw this side.
And then 3D print a...
And then like 3D print a cover so that it's only a one hub thing. right?
That's not a bad idea.
Okay, so I will unplug these parts.
I would be careful still because we don't know the state on some of the capacitors.
Oh yeah, I wasn't going to touch the capacitors, I was just going to unplug the... Oh my fucking god. What are you... Oh no, please don't tell me you guys communicate. That does seem like they might communicate.
Could just be a power on signal, maybe.
Yeah, but then why wouldn't they send it through that? Considering that's the head unit, front unit interface thing.
It could be maybe like a safety feature so that when...
I mean, let's see if it comes on. Okay, so it seems to work without it.
Yep.
Sweet. So, what's up?
where was it plugged in?
Yeah.
CDN2.
Yeah.
If I was to guess, I would say they talk to each other on a very low level to basically say if one of them's got a fault or not. If maybe one's overheated, it will shut the other one off at the same time.
I mean, if we had a oscilloscope, we would be able to plug it in and see.
Yeah, Lifty says you could do with an oscilloscope.
So it's funny. Banggood reached out to me and they're like, "Hey, would you like something for review?" And I'm undecided what I want from them. But they do have oscilloscopes. That end doesn't unplug. It is unplugged. Actually, can I do a fancy? No, I can't do a fancy. I was going to see if I can just plug the ground in. Although it doesn't matter because there's no ground cable coming out of it. I'm pretty sure they sell single versions of these.
Which way round was it?
That way. Are you pretty sure?
Is that the Ed, Ed and Eddie theme tune?
It is the Ed, Ed and Eddie theme tune. Maybe this way. Oh no. I don't know. Does it matter?
Do you want me Oh, you're not zoomed
Wait,
in?
live is... Wait, hold on. Live is brown.
Should
Live is brown, right?
move that in a bit better.
Live is brown. Because live is the one you're not supposed to touch. And I know that brown is the color your pants will go when you touch it. So, by that theory, brown is live. Huh. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Yes. I put two different things together and I figured it out. See, kids, electronics are easy.
Do you know how to remember which colour goes in which area on the UK plug?
Yes. It says in the plug.
So
Wait, hold on. There was a thing for that. I think live goes to the fuse.
yeah.
Okay, good.
So blue is L, so that goes on the left. It's BL.
I'm dyslexic and ADHD. L
And then
doesn't mean a thing to me. I
brown.
literally have to think like left.
Brown is BR, so that goes on the right when
Bruh.
you're looking into the plug.
Bruh. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Okay, so now if I... The problem is, so this thing has glass on it. Luckily, it does separate in the middle. But chopping it in half may be a little trickier. Because I assume they use kind of good strength glue. Right, so that goes that way, so we need to get rid of this one. Let's see if we can pry and isopopo it off.
left with some shards of glass by the end of it.
I think I'm gonna be left with some shards after that cake. It's not screwed in, right? I'm not being stupid. No, but it does seem like they use a thick bead of some sort of silicon, perhaps. Right, let's put this on the ground so I can focus on the top, because the top will dictate how much of the bottom I have to cut off. And again, I'm getting rid of this side. I'm gonna mark this as the bad side. Just making sure. Isopropyl alcohol, where is alcohol? Alcohol. Oh no, I've lost my alcohol. Where the hell did I put my isopropyl? Oh, it's in the cupboard of my 3D printer. Be happy.
Pyro said he had McDonald's today.
Ooh, how fancy. Did you have McDonald's?
I haven't, no.
When was the last time you had McDonald's? Have you been eating healthier?
Not overly. Probably sometime last week, I can't remember.
It's pretty good.
Brandon said, stop making me want McDonald's.
I do need to change that sound.
Get Lifty says, went from let's fix it to cut it in half and bin most of it very fast, lol.
Listen, I take Joseph's word. Joseph said it's not worth fixing and it will be too difficult to fix. So I'm surprised at how well isopropyl worked for this. I would have thought it would have been like silicon or something. I'm running low on alcohol. Wow. I am impressed. Let's celebrate with fire.
So you've just contaminated your desk with thermal paste?
None of it stuck to my desk. Must be very shitty thermal paste. To be fair, I don't think it's made to be disassembled. I do not have any form of paper, so... Everybody, let's get excited for fire.
Cold Substance said, my ThinkPad got doused in water because of a burst pipe.
Oh no. And that's how induction stove works. More fire? Yes. Oh, do you know what's funny? My mom only just found out about the onion stream. She was very concerned, even though she found out about it just now. I got curious what happens when you squish fire. You get fire but squished. Cool. Well, we now have a very hot piece of glass. You want to hold the glass? Lovely. Cool. It's greasy. Jules Ham has sent the fire truck emoji. I can unplug you, for I don't think I'll be needing you for now. Yeah. This coffee has no sugar in it, and I hate it. Yeah. Okay, so cutting this in half will be the next challenge. Oh no. This plastic, oh, that's glass as well.
Is it glass?
Yeah, but it's one piece.
You might be able to score it and then
I don't have anything to score with.
a knife
Oh yeah, but that's not sharp enough to like...
or a rotary tool. That really smells.
The alcohol?
No, the flames that you've done.
Might just be my fault.
Or if you get your rotary tool, maybe do it like that.
I don't think my rotary tool was good enough for that.
You could 3D print a new panel for it with actual buttons that aren't shit and capacitive.
I'll try the rotary tool. I don't know where it is. It's in one of these boxes.
Bottom box.
You'd think it was in that box. These labels, however, are very out of date. And this is my future CNC. Soldering iron is just a bunch of fans. 3D printing, I think it's actually maybe a little bit of 3D printing stuff. Drill bits and temperature probes and a LiPo battery and hot ends. Ooh, speaking of buttons, this is a future project, so nobody look. Feel the middle button.
That's satisfying.
I know, right? I got the idea from this.
Nice.
Yeah, so yeah, future projects, hide project. That will be out maybe next month. Maybe.
Could even print a pattern on it.
I did, well, so the front of that is removable, so I can take it off and reprint it if I need to.
Maximum Bombastic enters the chat.
Hello, Maximum. How are you
Whoops.
doing?
Joining super late. Did I miss the baking?
Did you miss the
Baking.
baking? No, that's so okay. You've clearly missed some messages that I've left in the Discords and in the Patreon chats. So, okay, my rotary tool is not here. Where the fuck is my rotary tool? Oh, is it at the bottom there? Hold on. So, you've missed a couple messages. I had to move the baking stream. It is my birthday today, though, but the baking stream will be on next stream because we can't do alcohol and baking in this house for reasons I'll probably get into in the future. We can do baking, just no alcohol. Turns out it was here all along. Yeah, so we can do... God, I'm out of breath. So my parents, fortunately, are going on holiday, and they have let me use their kitchen for the alcoholic baking stream. So we will be doing it at their place next week, next stream, which would be on the Monday the 29th. And yes.
So these parts here are actually 4 glass.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. I did not know this. I thought they were just for sanding.
Therefore, engraving letters and stuff into glass.
I do not have a pair of safety goggles for you, so apply safety squints.
Yep.
Did I say everything I need to say? Yes. Baking live stream next week. I will make a poll on what kind of cake I will be making, mostly because I think we floated the idea of making rum cake with booze. I might be able to move that camera in as well. Oh, the cameras that I might be getting soon have object tracking.
So you get more than one camera.
I don't know. So the other people I've looked at that they have sent cameras to all got free. I will be happy if I get free, but I also will be happy if I get one.
Before you start, Maximum Bombastic R says, "Happy birthday, how old?"
I don't want to say. I'll do this and I'll say out loud. I am 27 years old now. That is very loud. But it did score it. Did anybody hear? Okay, good. Well, I said it out loud, so if nobody heard it, then it's your problem. That is very unstraight. Theoretically, I should be able to, like... No? No?
Yes, or if you took the whole thing off and then put it up against... I was going to say take the whole thing off and put it up against the edge of the table.
Yeah, but then I'll have to redo the whole thing.
Maximum Bombastic super chatted you with 27. Let me
Whatever
just
those are.
translate that to pounds.
Thank you for 27 of those. I shall put this away. Oh, that means you heard.
£23 and 28 pence.
Thank you, Maximum Bombastic, for your donation. I guess we will have to remove the whole thing. I have not dealt with having to break or remove glass. Yay, we heard you, damn it. I thought it would be loud enough for you not to hear. Ow.
Isn't this more fun than just fixing the other side?
It does give me something to do.
Pyro says, next year I will turn 30. I feel old.
Ow. Ow. Yes, 30's not that bad, says the young person. Oh, fuck. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash that because there's alcohol in it. Yeah.
I guess you missed it, Maximum Bombastic, but I got Mello some onions for his birthday.
It hurts a lot more than it probably should. What I miss.
Maximum Bombastic says, I'm 38, I could be your grandfather, replying to Pyro. So I said about me getting you some onions for your birthday.
Joseph did get me some onions for my birthday.
And Brandon says, what a nice present. And Maximum Bombastic said, oh neat, thanks Joseph.
Dude, why do I have you people as friends? I need better friends. Do you know what's funny? This is the most friends I've ever had over for my birthday. I've never really had like a big birthday. Even though there is, I don't know how many people in here, 10. This is, so thank you all for coming to my birthday. Safety squints engage. It's scary. I don't want to do that. It feels so wrong. Also, I'm not sure which side I should be saving.
The left side.
I forgot what
The one that your hand is in.
This one.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, this one's the safe one. This is bad. Let me remove this to do that. Sure. Should I score it a bit more? The
Pyro
jungle's very
says
loud.
also, please put on some gloves.
I do not have gloves.
Pyro says next year we will be there in person for you.
Aww. I'll do a meetup, sure. Next year's birthday, meet up in person. Why is this the scary part?
I'm gonna stand over there, I think.
I don't think you're gonna be saved. Okay. I think that's as deep as I'm gonna score it, but it just seems so wrong. I might have to do this like ever so slightly outside. Okay, Joseph's nodding. BRB. This
That
didn't.
echoed.
That echoes so loud. Might be echolocating myself. Okay, well, it didn't work.
That probably couldn't have not worked any worse. Is there glass outside that you need to clear up?
Yeah.
Like downstairs as well?
No, it somehow stayed on the balcony. Oh god. Whoops. Do you know what's even funnier? We don't have a dustpan and brush. We have a dustpan, but no brush. Success.
Well, I guess you could just glue it back together now. Just glue that half back together.
Shit. Shit. Okay, well, no. Well, I've got the screen part. It's really the only part I wanted to save. Damn it. Shit. Okay, I will need a moment. It's still crinkling. Well, don't forget to like the stream for broken glass.
Maximum Bombastic said, crush it more and vacuum it.
Crush it more and vacuum it. Right, let me get the vacuum. There might be pieces of glass in certain areas. You watching TikToks whilst at work?
No, Pyro sent me something.
Oh, I see. I like that I called this work. How often does your boss decide it's time to break some glass? Oh god. This vacuum sucks. I apologize for the audio. Mute the stream until I say so. Oh, damn it. I disconnected this camera, which is kind of annoying. I accidentally unplugged this camera, which is very annoying because you might have to reconnect it on OBS.
Oh no, it looks like it's...
No, it's old. No, it needs reconnecting. It takes the last frame and freezes it. Oh, it didn't go all the way up in the vacuum, so it all just came out. Okay, well, maybe this was not the solution for this. Did it fix? Oh, it fixed. This was not the vacuum for this. I will get the pan instead. Welcome to Mellow Labs' cleanup stream. He's after my cookies. You're just like Google.
People watching you, well, not even watching you.
Not even watching me because I don't want to duck stuff. Hold on, what's the best view I can give you guys of my sweeping? there, I think. In fairness, one of you should have warned me that this was safety glass. I believe this is a community failure, and all of you are to blame. Oh wait, I forgot. I tried to tell you. Oh wait. So it was safe. Okay, well. Well, now I have to come up with a new solution to my ongoing problem.
You could just leave it bare.
I mean, technically that should be low voltage electronics. You just don't stick your finger deep in there, and hopefully you don't spill like a pan of water in there. In reality, I don't think we were ever going to use it again, but I don't think Amazon would accept that as a return now.
Damaged in shipping.
Good point. How much are they on Amazon?
70 quid.
Bit steep. Oh no.
Maximum Bombastic asks, how did you find all these things to harvest? Did you just score them on the side of the road?
In most cases, yes. That one specifically was given to me by my father because it broke. And, yeah. That was it. What the fuck was I looking at? Oh, Discord. Oh, that's why. Somebody clicked something. I don't know why I've adopted the fucking... What's his face? The guy, the comedian that laughs internally.
Oh, Jimmy Carr.
Jimmy Carr. I don't know why the fuck I've adopted his laughter recently. Lovely day, huh? Aren't you glad you came over? Oh, there's glass everywhere. Jamie will not be pleased. Would you like some cake?
I'm all good at the moment, thank you.
Oh, by the way, before I forget, Joseph still has silly string. If you wish for Joseph to shoot me with silly string, we have a single can of silly string left. There is Joseph aiming with silly string. If you wish, it is still the same price as last time. And he will aim for my face, or whichever part of your body you specify. Joseph string. and unfortunately, silly string is more expensive than nothing. So, it's not like Bubbles. Actually, Bubbles is Patreon only as well, so. Audio effects are free. Where did I put the thing? Oh, I'm glad to know that these are for engraving and stuff. I never really thought what they were for. If I ever need to cut glass... oh, come on. Ow, that one was pointy. And that. Right, that goes there. So I've managed to break more things than I fixed today. So Success. Right. I don't think I can replace these buttons with regular buttons though, because they're capacitive. How would I replace them? There's fancy electronics at the back, but I think that's just the driver for the screen. Where are we pointing? Point here. Oh. Oh no. Would you like capacitive buttons on the screen? On the plus side, I do get to take this apart and have a look at what's inside.
I think if you just tie them to ground or whatever, that might do it.
I mean, I guess capacitive buttons do keep it cleaner, because you can just wipe it all off.
Lime asks, what's your birthday present?
My birthday present? I don't think I understand the question. What did I get for my birthday? I got 2 onions from Joseph. My dream birthday present. Hold on. Going up to 20 volts to play with this fan. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, I know what that interlink thing was now.
Interlink?
Yeah, it's just to turn it on.
Oh.
There's a missing power button here, but there's a power button there.
Okay. Oh, that would explain why this guy has a relay and that guy doesn't.
Possibly, yeah.
Okay, cool. I think I might have some glass in me now. Do you want to blow?
I'm good, thanks.
Okay. No, it blows quite good. I will keep the fan, for it blows good. What's your birthday present? I'm trying to think of what would be a good birthday present now. Ooh, financial stability? Freedom? I don't know. Which part of this should I be worried about touching?
Probably the big chunky things on the top.
This guy?
Just all of it on the top side.
That is a...
No, I mean all of the traces on the bottom.
What, these
at
ones?
The top, yeah.
Okay. This is a 600 volt AC, 1200 volt DC,
Might find a
0.33 nanofarads.
Might find a relay in there for future projects.
There's a relay there. This is a 200 and... Why does it have both the DC and AC value? I thought you can't use components for both.
Something like a relay, you can.
Well, yes, but I don't know what this is. MKP X squared, 8 nanofarad. Does that ring any bells? Okay, good.
Nanofarad, that would be a capacitor.
But why would it be so small?
Where? Where is it?
Well, there's this one, which is 8 UF, and then this one was 0.33 UF.
Oh, sorry, farad. That's an inductor.
I don't know. Should I be scared of touching them?
No, it should be fine with the inductors.
Well, there's no capacitors on here apart from these guys.
No, I'm talking shit. Farad. That's capacitor. Henry.
I might die.
A Henry is inductance.
Let's find out by touching it all. I don't have the wire brushes I used to have, so I can't really scrape it. How in the fuck did they screw that on? What the shit? Okay, that's interesting. There's another... Oh, I don't want to touch that. Hold on, I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna have to bend that, I think. There is another... where am I? There's another one of these in... Oh, come on, camera. Why does my brain not want to figure out? Okay, there's another one of them in there, but it's screwed on, and I don't know how to unscrew it. Do I have to unsolder it first? Perhaps. My soldering iron does not like those ones, though. Don't touch that. Why am I being DM'd? Who DM? Glassbroke is actually a good sound for the command. I thought as much. Although it's a little underwhelming, I think. If it was visible, maybe, but I don't know, as a sound effect.
Say sticky screwdriver across pins before touching it with that. Just make sure to bridge them two there.
Alright, Joseph seems satisfied. I don't think my soldering iron is capable of this. This is why I was considering getting Banggood to give me a new soldering iron. Although I don't particularly want to make a specific review for a soldering iron. I don't do reviews on my channel, at least I try not to. That's why whenever I need to open up free stuff, I do it on the stream. Technically, it's a video. If I do have to post a video review on my channel, I will do it like way out of my schedule, so I'll do it on like midweek.
Get Lifty says, I have returned. What's going on?
Fire and chaos has ensued. You have missed all of it. Wait, were you here for the glass breaking? I don't think you were. You're trying to scare me, but I know nobody donated.
Unless Maximum Bombastic wants to declare his donation as a silly string donation.
Fair, I didn't think of that.
Yet Liberty says, damn, I leave for 20 minutes and fire chaos and glass breaking occur.
Yeah, you missed quite a bit. This is why you don't leave my streams. This is why you watch me even when you're in the shower. Well, silly string has been cancelled. Would you like to tell your message to get Lifty out loud so I not get Lifty? Maximum Bombastic so he hears.
Maximum Bombastic, would you like your donation to go towards the silly string? No, he said.
Ah. Alrighty.
Sad. He asks, how much is silly string again?
$5. Unless you want to donate on YouTube, then it's a $10 because of the cap. Oh my god, I'm giving up.
Maximum Bombastic said, in Kingdom units.
In Kingdom units.
10 Kingdom units on
10
YouTube.
Kingdom units on YouTube, 5 through PayPal. I shall simply cut them off, for it will be easier.
And it's an extra tenner if it's to be-
Heatsink is hot. Sorry?
It's an extra tenner to have it squirted in your mouth.
I don't want silly string in my mouth again. I feel like that was probably the one video recording you were disappointed not to be there for. Oh, I did consider messaging you recently asking if I could borrow your camera to make the video for that fancier, because of the thing that might be happening, even though I've not heard from them since last week Monday. But yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome to borrow it whenever.
It's too late now, I've recorded most of it. Fixed it. Yeah, it switches AC. Heatsink's still hot.
Heat string, need a drop of silly string on it to cool it down.
Sorry?
Does heatsink need a drop of silly string on it to cool it down?
No, even isopropyl isn't dissolving very quickly anymore, so... Although, no, it is. That's cool. It's leaving, like, traces of patterns when it hits here, but there's no liquid. Right, okay, good news. We have lost a subscriber. The stream is continuing to lose me subscribers. Well done. Thank you, everyone. You'd think that one day the streams will not do that. But I kind of like keeping the tradition going.
Maximum has told me to attack.
Oh dear.
Has he sent you monies on your phone?
Monies has been sent.
Where would you like the attack to take place, and when? Do you want it to be a surprise?
Hold
Or
on. There is a drug deal going on outside.
or just a blatant spray?
I guess I will let Maximum Bombastic decide. I will occupy myself with doing something that isn't hot. So that I do not injure myself. Okay, so then what is this? Oh no.
That's going to be a challenging one, but I'll give it a go.
I don't know. Do I need to turn around and bend over? No.
Get Lifty asks, how do you explain to your bank the small payments? Do you tell them it's for you to be sprayed with silly string?
It's simpler than that. I just don't.
You're on edge now, aren't you?
No. I am, however, very thirsty. And fuck's sake.
His left or my left, as in from what I can see. So
He's left or your left?
so Maximum Bombastic has said left something that I'm not going to tell you. Surprise attack.
Okay.
Now is it Mellow's left, or is it the left that we can see on camera?
Can you tell me what this is? I assume it's the thing that measures whether something is appropriate metal or not.
Possibly like a reed relay or something.
It's not going in my ear, is it?
Come on. It's working. There we go.
Yes. It does not taste good. Thank you. I'm glad you got everything. I shall peel this off the wall, for it does stain.
Was that sufficient, Maximum Bombastic?
My ear and mouth, my nose does feel burning, which makes me think I might be allergic to this.
So Maximum Bombastic asks for the left nostril.
That is an interesting choice. I'm gonna go and wash my face before it is actually stinging my face.
Okay.
I think this is the most I have had to wash during the stream. Oh. Oh, it's that. Okay.
Get Lifty says, you've given the poor man a remote allergic reaction.
It's fine. On the plus side, that does technically pay off the silly string I had to buy for the video. So, if anything, I'm even.
At least you're not eating onions at the moment.
Depends how much Bombastic is willing to pay. I'm not willing to eat an onion.
To be fair, if the price was right, I'd eat an onion.
You heard that. Wait, but that would go money
Only-
to you.
Only because it's your birthday, it would be a... I don't know. Guess we could 50-50 it maybe.
I'm sorry, I'm slightly caressing all of you right now. I do apologize. But Maximum Bombastic has decided to fill my microphone with silly string. My camera seemed a little out of whack.
Leon said, happy birthday, kid. Have to run now. See you later the next night live stream. Bye.
See you, man. Thank you. I've never been called a kid. Need to create a compilation video of Melon content. Please do. If it's good, I will gladly post it on the channel. I'm smashing that. God damn it. DM me the clips.
Maximum Bombastic says, you could share an onion like the spaghetti dogs thing if you cut it into a spiral.
I am no longer eating onions. I refuse. Cut to me eating an onion. I don't think I actually get anything from this, do I? It's a 12 volt 10 amp relay. So it's 15 amps if I'm using 125 volts, but it's only a 10 amp relay if I'm using the British. But then it's so it says 10 amps if 277 AC, but it's 240 AC here, 230 depending on. So would that technically give it a higher amperage?
Start again, I wasn't fully paying attention.
So for this relay is 15 amps at 125 AC, or 10 amps at 277 AC.
Yeah, so it's more power.
Yeah.
Similar power, I'm guessing. You do 115 or whatever it is times 15.
Hmm.
I don't know.
So it could be 13 amps if I really want it to be.
What's the rating for 240 volts?
It doesn't say, it just says 277. But considering it's under your hand. But considering, oh, I forgot to move the
that's
camera.
10 amps at 277, so yeah. That's a 10 amp relay at 240. Give or take.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying it's rated for higher than it is, so technically at 240.
It's not much more rated for higher than it is there. It's not going to do 13 amps at 240. Ideally you want a 16 amp relay just as a bit of safety.
I forgot where I put the relay. There. This is not the one I'm using for the other project, but this is 20 amps. 30 at, wait, what? Oh, this one has a different for normally on and normally closed. Normally open, normally closed. So normally open is 30 amp, normally closed is 20 amp. Interesting.
Is that 240?
Yeah, 277.
No.
I don't know why they're rated for 277.
Probably like a percentage thing.
Well, those ones are 24 amps anyway, so I don't like them.
It's probably a percentage tolerance.
Pyro has decided he will rewatch all of my live streams in search of clips. Good luck with that. There is many hours of live streams. Oh no, I need to move myself down. How long have we been live for? 3 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. I think we might be getting close to the end. Right, so the annoying thing is the cable's here, but this is exactly where I should be cutting it.
You can always put the cable somewhere else.
Well, yeah, but
Drill a hole. Or put
I mean, I just have to break a couple of these and then feed it through there.
you could put a kettle lead connector on it, you know, the IEC connectors. Like a plug
Oh, the
plug
AC
thing.
connectors. Yeah, yeah, them ones. Could do. I don't really feel like playing around with that though. Why?
That's Valzu, he's just joined.
Hello, Vauzu. Why are you booing? He's been on Discord this whole time.
Get Lifty says, I was AFK so I couldn't comment at the time, but was it not 240 volts RMS and 277 peak to peak maybe? AC is weird. You might be right actually. Yeah.
It just says VAC.
Valzu says, I heard you broke the stove glass.
Yes. It was, I mean, part of it. Part of it still works. Maybe I can recycle this one as a front thing. No, it's too short.
You'd also have to figure out how to cut it without breaking it.
Yeah, it's safety glass. I don't think I'd be able to do that. Oh, they've... Oh, no, never mind. That's me. Yeah, this feels safe. Thank you, Pyro. That almost broke stuff. Nice job, Pyro. I was happy on my knees. Actually, no, that's a lie. I feel the relief right now. Should we try to boil some water on this? Note, this glass will be hot after cooking. Do not touch. Trying to cut it there. I don't want to cut that right now. I don't particularly want to... It's a bit too late to use the Dremel now because it's after 9. I think I can boil some water. Joseph says yes.
You can make a cup of tea or coffee for yourself with it.
I can indeed. Although this this pan is a bit rusty. One moment, I'll get the other one.
I'm not even going to suggest that to him, get lifty, because he probably would do it. Valzu asks, where did you get your drawers for Mimosa from?
My drawers from Mimosa? Oh, Amazon. Oh wait, no. I'll get the thermal camera so we can see it. Okay. Oh, I need to remember to bring this with me for the cooking stream. You. Oh, if I had a perfect layout, this would have been set up already.
Get lifty said boil the onions.
Would you like to eat a boiled onion? How much for Joseph to eat a boiled onion?
Maximum Bombastic said exclamation mark desk underscore tilt.
Oh, wouldn't that be funny? Oh. Goodbye, secondary camera. Hello, other secondary camera. This might take a moment before I need to set it up. Let me close this. Let me close. Well, not close, but put that there. Oh, when did the script stop working? Whoopsie.
Valzu said gotcha. Will most likely make Mimosa draw thingy mad dingy.
Sorry? Will
Petition to make Mellow add desk tilt so everything will fall off.
If I had a better workspace, I would add this myself. However, this is not a safe environment for all that. Ooh, reflections. Oh. Can I do a window capture? Window capture. Yes. No. This one. Does not work. This does not work. It simply does is not. Just fucking set that up. God damn you, Pyro. Oh shit. Pyro's trying to rip up my wires. Whoops. Goddamn right. Whoops. Right, let's get rid of that, because that... Oh no, that was the good one. Shit. Okay, that is the good one.
Get Lifty said boiling water while Sedes moves seems like a safety hazard. Where's the safety council when you need them?
Well, one of them is here. The other one is busy with work. Did I unplug that camera? No, because it's live. Okay, weird. Okay. I'm working on it. There. I will need to adjust this. Okie dokie. And transition. See? Magic. Okay, let's turn that on. Function.
Your OBS window is still showing up.
Hmm?
Your OBS window is showing up in the background.
I can't do much about that, so enjoy it. Ooh. Whoa, that's weird. Oh, I did not expect that. It like branches out like a lightning infill. Cool. I need to empty this cup. Joseph, look out for the thing for me.
I have much temptation to squirt some silly string in it, but I'm not sure if he wants to make a drink with that water.
Sorry.
Maximum Bombastic said, so certain UK houses have rules regarding alcohol consumption in the house, or is it only while baking?
Oh, no. So specifically, my roommate is Muslim, and it's kind of the one of the few rules we kind of don't want to encroach on. Like, yeah, technically it would be fine, but it's, you know, it's a courtesy thing. He asked us not to, so I won't. That's kind of it.
Maximum Bombastic said, that looks cool AF.
I know, right? I wish I got it closer.
Dan says, I know you had one of those.
I told you I have one of those. I'm pretty sure you were the first person I messaged when I said, a company sent me a free thing. Oh, it's boiling. I mean, technically it should have more power, right? It goes up to 18. Okay, we will try that out in a minute. That looks sick.
Valzu says, I have 3 mimosa drawer thingies.
Ooh. Free mimosa drawer thingies. I'm technically not running mimosa at the moment because I've not bothered to reorganize everything.
Get Lifty says, yep, just poke random buttons on the powerful, half-broken water boiling machine.
It's fine, they're capacitive. That does look pretty sick, though. What if I throw an ice cube in there?
What if you squirted silly string in it?
I'll go get an ice cube.
Damn. Dan says, it looks like a fire elemental scrotum.
That's pretty sick.
Dan says, yeah, please throw stuff in there. Were you thinking of using that water?
Well, I was.
Okay.
I want to do another one because I found out that this can go up to like 1800.
So, are you happy to sacrifice this one?
No, the next one.
Okay.
This one I actually want to use for tea. Oil and water doesn't mix, indeed. Okay, well that should be fine.
That
Right?
looks boily to me.
That looks boily to me. Beep, beep, beep. Then don't. No, I did not think of this. Joseph gave me a look. I shall do this on the floor.
Maximum Bombastic says, the water is lava. Pyro said, spilling lava.
Let me get a new thing. Okay, I specifically used cold water. Oh, damn. Okie dokie. I should clean that up. Oh yeah, don't forget to like the stream for hot stuff. I feel like I actually do need a reminder to tell you guys to like the stream. Right. I want to set this to 18. Is that camera? Yeah. I am curious whether this cable will get hot.
Should be fine.
Hmm.
Just consider it's designed to run 2 at once, so it's only running at half.
Yeah.
capacity.
But there's more.
Oh, you want to see if the cable gets hot on the camera.
That one is connected to one under the desk, and the one under the desk is connected to that one, and then that one is connected to the wall. So currently this whole setup is running through that. Well, through that specifically.
Fair enough. Well, your PC's only going to be drawing, say, max of 400 watts, so probably
I think
fine.
that's a 550 watt
But that will
How
be
it's
the
going.
maximum that it's rated
Yeah.
for, so...
I mean, yeah, it's definitely not doing maximum at that moment. Okie dokie. I'm gonna just record this on here as well for funsies, and I will move myself. No, get out of here. Let's do that so that you can see it better. Cool. Right. This is the most annoying little fucking. The computer software is ass for this camera. When I put a dot down to check the temperature, it usually when it gets hot, you cannot see what color it is. What does this do? I don't know. Okay, it just tells me temperature in the circle. Cool.
Get Lifty says, you'll be fine with power. I had a full industrial vacuum former running on a coiled up 20 meter cable today and it survived, so I think an induction hob will make it.
I didn't say I wasn't gonna make it. I was just concerned about the rest of the components going.
Power's on the right, far right.
Function 18. Whoa, that was quick. Whoa. That's sick. Okay, not gonna lie, induction kind of winning me over right now. That's fast. It's already at like 40 something, 40, 50. Alright, silly string it. Deep fried silly string. Oh, Dan is getting involved. Now put something. I can't read the rest of that.
Now put something through the middle of the coil.
No!
Should get your coffee mixer thing and mix the...
Oh, froth it. Sure.
and then froth the...
I don't think Jamie will appreciate this. I don't think this is what my dad had in mind when he gave me this to fix.
Pyro said, it's not cooked though yet, it's not safe to eat. And Dan said, no joke, blacksmiths do something called an induction forge, and you have one, and it's your God-given duty to melt some steel in it. Maximum Bombastic said, it's the cup warmer version 3. Is the cup warmer version 3 going to be induction based?
That's actually a pretty funny idea, but no, because I'd have to have a metal mug. Are you on top chat or all chat?
All chat. Oh,
Okay.
top messages. Must have changed.
Yeah,
Is
it
the
does.
window open?
Window is open, yes. Why do I add some milk to it?
Get Lifty says, if you put 2 induction coils on each other, you could make the world's most overpowered wireless phone charger.
Jesus Christ, there's way too many glass in here. It's basically tea. Do you ever think about how you got to this place?
As you stand there with silly string in your hair and you're making a cup of tea on a half-broken induction hob.
It's not
Yeah.
half broken, it's half working.
I try not to think about it. Get Lifty says, I bet USB-C has 240 volts, 13 amp standard. It has so many others. Yeah, power delivery. That tea is brewing.
I know, right? That cable is hot. Not that hot. It's...
Pyro said, it's silly tea.
It looks so gross. I believe the fun might have just ended. Jaime has returned. Well, this was interesting.
At least there's not glass anywhere, everywhere still. Pyro said, now it looks like lava.
Hello. How's it going?
I'm warm.
Warm.
Yeah, I've been running.
Oh, with the cat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need you to not pay attention to what I'm about to dispose of.
Exactly what you're doing. What is in the pan, please?
Hot water
Is it just hot water?
and tea bag.
Why is your hair wet? What have you been doing? What has he been doing?
Joseph has kept me safe.
I trust that. In this moment, is Joseph holding you?
I got silly stringed in the nostril.
Oh.
On the plus side, the stove works.
You ruined the pan again.
Notice the plaster on his... Oh, he's got
No,
rid
it's
of
gone.
the plaster now.
It's fine.
You dissolved it. You put water in the iron pan?
That's the... Yes, but that was the only pan that works with this.
Okay. Well, it's gonna be rusty.
I'll clean it. I'll clean the other one.
Did you fix it?
Yeah. Half of it
Okay.
was working.
So what's wrong with the other half?
It's here, 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 and here, and a little bit in there.
Why is there a backup pan under the desk?
Because that's the one I tried first, and when it didn't work, I switched. So that one's clean.
Love how chat's keeping quiet.
Yeah, they're just here for my telling off now.
There's nothing to tell off.
Did you eat an onion yet?
No. Nobody's paid me to. Although I did say I wasn't going to do it.
I'm staying out of it. I'm staying quiet.
Get Lifty says, does the silly string idea cancel out with the silly string for an intelligent tea?
Why is there milk in here?
Oh, because I was making tea. Thanks for reminding me.
Get Lifty said, chat agreed this was a bad idea from the start, but we were powerless to stop him.
I don't blame that. I would never blame that.
They did not think this was a bad idea. They all thought it looked cool on the thermal camera, right?
It does look cool in the thermal camera.
Yeah, but you missed it. It looked like, you know those tree supports in 3D printing?
Yeah.
Where they kind of like spurge out? It's
Yeah.
exactly what the hot water looked like when it was boiling.
Have you shown the freezer yet?
I did chuck an ice cube in there.
Oh. It's not as scary as how a freezer looks.
No,
It's just an infinite void.
yes.
I think
Okay.
sound commands stopped working.
Sorry, I wanted
Oh, that's
sanitation.
probably the script breaking.
I want to sanitize my phone, but I'd be in shot.
I'll do it.
I probably just ran past the camera anyway, because
No, you're fine actually.
that's...
Nobody turn on the bubbles.
Dan said, the project is completely responsible.
The project is completely responsible. That's disappointing. Well, we got some bubbles.
Oh, be warned, desk will be rising soon.
Too late. Oh dear. Everything should be safe.
It smells very herbal.
Now. Oh, we're back. We're back! My computer completely blue-screened. I'm not sure what happened, but I'm gonna blame who set my desk up.
Pyro.
Yeah, Pyro.
Get
Oh,
lifty, sorry.
no, get lifty. How dare you? How dare you move my desk up? See what happens?
Pyro says, woohoo.
No, the script is not currently running, so it won't work because my whole computer had to restart. So I'm sorry, you're not getting sound effects. Did I put sweetener in this? I don't think I did. Okay, well, let's finish off by cleaning up, and I think we'll be done for today. There's still water inside of there. I don't have a good enough saw to cut this.
Dremel?
Dremel's loud and long. But I guess I'll have to be... But I'd have to do that outside. On the plus side, decent stove. If it wasn't for the broken part and the missing part, it would be great.
It smells like nail polish now.
No, that's probably the silly string. I shall screw some of this back together, and we shall clean the rest up. Boing. It's a good sound effect. Where is it? Oh, yeah. No. No. Oh, those are shit. Those are all shit. I think it was these screws? No, that wasn't it. Oh no, it was the ones in here. Gotcha. Where did I put it away? I put it away. Cool. I shall cut it in half at my nearest convenience. And we'll probably actually use it for cooking because it's very quick to heat up. I am quite impressed. That's the sanitizer thing. I'm also inches away from stepping on the plug. Can somebody send this live stream to the company that makes this? See what they think. How not to get a sponsorship. No. Okay, cool. Put you in there, but I don't need you in there. I think I am going to have to cut it here because that's where the feet are and I don't really feel like reprinting the feet. So it's probably going to go along there. Which will be a little bit awkward.
What if you cut it on the other side of the feet so that you had the feet to use?
Hmm?
If you cut it... Oh, sorry, I was thinking the other side, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's just going to be a little bit awkward because it's like that thing goes exactly there, so the bit I have to print will be bigger. Right. You maybe don't have screws fall in there, please.
Well, what if you found something else to put in that side, like a... don't know what you could do.
Coffee machine. Can go there for now. You two can go in the bin. Joseph is getting EP. Coil? Anybody want a coil? Good coil? For free? Would you like a coil? No? Okay. Dan, would you like a coil? Free coil.
Get Lifty said, think of the giant speaker you could put in the other half.
That'd be pretty funny. I'm just trying to cook a giant bass. I like the coil, but I don't think I'm going to be using the coil. Motor. Fan. Salvage. Beautiful. I really need to poop. I've been holding it in for a few hours now. Piece of wire?
Nope.
One day I will get you to take some trash home with you. Chill, bitch. Oh, the thing's covered in silly string. Yeah, I don't like the silly string. It is messy. Too messy to be fun. That's a soft tapper, that's a soft tapper, that's a soft tapper. Those are good screws. I will keep those. Okay. I won't be able to have commands on next week's live stream unless I bring a portable version of my Home Assistant. I don't think so. Okay, we're gonna wrap up. Thank you all for coming. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to do the likey likes. And next week we will be cooking. Next stream we will be cooking whilst intoxicated. And who doesn't like that? So, as always, keep on Discord and on Patreon for updates. If anything changes, I usually let peeps know. But we should be all good for that. So, yeah, thanks for sticking around. Goodbye.
Goodbye.